The 2025 M1132 Stryker represents a bold evolution in military vehicle design, seamlessly combining rugged performance, advanced battlefield technology, and troop-focused versatility into one formidable platform. Built on the renowned Stryker chassis, the M1132 Engineer Squad Vehicle, ESV, is a key component of modern mechanized combat engineering, providing frontline support for mobility, countermobility, and survivability operations. Powered by an updated Caterpillar C9.3B diesel engine, the 2025 variant delivers improved fuel efficiency and higher torque, granting superior performance across rough terrains, urban battle zones, and hostile environments. It includes upgraded armor plating using composite and reactive armor systems, offering enhanced protection against mines, IEDs, and small arms fire while keeping weight manageable for rapid deployment. The integration of the latest C4ISR, command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance systems allows crews to remain fully networked with battlefield units, enabling real-time data sharing and mission adaptability. Inside, ergonomics have been improved for comfort and ease of operation, while new automation features such as semi-autonomous navigation and obstacle detection reduce crew workload and increase operational tempo. The vehicle retains its hallmark capabilities like lane and obstacle breaching, mine detection, and marker deployment, but now also includes robotic arm enhancements for remote engineering tasks. A new 30mm remote weapon station replaces the earlier .50 caliber mount, giving it greater firepower and flexibility against diverse threats. With integrated drones for aerial recon and a hybrid auxiliary power unit that powers electronics in silent mode, the 2025 M1132 sets a new standard for future-proofing battlefield engineering vehicles. It's not just a transporter or a combat asset. It's a mobile engineering command center that ensures troops can move, survive, and fight smarter and harder. Whether leading the charge through complex urban terrain or supporting defensive operations in rugged zones, the new M1132 is built to redefine how modern armies approach tactical mobility and survivability in the 21st century.